Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your Meta AI not working on WhatsApp. If you're having problem with fixing your Meta AI not working on WhatsApp, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Then wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. After that, try logging into WhatsApp again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there's an update available for WhatsApp on your Play Store. Go to Play Store and then search WhatsApp. Then go ahead and click on it. Then let's see if there's an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version, and updating the app ensures that you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go to your settings and then click on apps. After that, click on the option of app and go ahead and scroll down until you see the option of WhatsApp. Once you see the option of WhatsApp, go ahead and click on it. Then go to storage and then hit on clear cache. This helps you clear out old data that might be causing issues. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of that helps, go ahead and delete the app WhatsApp from your phone, then reinstall it again from your phone with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems, and there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your WhatsApp account, and if it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.